Hello and welcome back to Angular 2 Masterclass with Alejandro Rangel. In this section we will talk about the boot.ts file. This is the file that Angular needs to load in the browser our application. So in Angular 1 this was called Bootstrapping, and yeah, the concept in Angular 2 is pretty much the same, except for that in Angular 2 they have a concept that, okay, Angular can run in the browser, yes, as it was in version 1, but it could run also in the server. So they have like a Angular 2 universal. It's something about the server side rendering. I will make a video of this once it's released. They are still working on it, but the boot.ts is for this. It's for switching between, okay, I want to run Angular in the browser, or I want to run Angular in the server, in a mobile environment, and so on. Let's take a look on this file. Okay, so this is how it looks, the boot.ts. First, we have to tell Angular platform browser, and from there we import the Bootstrap. Yeah. Then we have, this is our component. This is the component that we wrote in the previous video. We are importing this. And finally, we're telling Angular, okay, Bootstrap, start our application, our app component. So let's code this. We come here, we come again here, and we create inside our app, we create a new yes, TypeScript. So we have boot.ts. So we have to import Bootstrap from browser. Then we want to import our application. I don't want to make any mistakes, so we check, yes, I want to import this, the app component. From, we are in the same folder, app.component. This is a great part of WebStorm that it uses autocomplete. Most of the IDEs have this. If you do it with a plain text editor, well, you won't have this feature, but yeah, we have it here. So we select the app component. And finally, we set Bootstrap, our app component. Okay. If you get this error, it's because, yeah, we can see here that our TypeScript is expecting type, and we don't have a type for this, right? So we could do something like this. Yes, and this is a trick if you want to correct, but this is doing nothing at all in the latest version. I mean, when this is transpiled and the final JavaScript is generated, this doesn't mean anything to JavaScript. But as we are working with TypeScript and it's a type language, yeah, there is a conflict between the type that we are passing to the Bootstrap and the type that the Bootstrap is expecting to receive. Okay, so this is a way to fix it. There are many other ways, but we are just doing a casting here. Okay, so this is a way to do this, the bootstrapping. And let's do something else. If we are from the command line, we should be able right now to do npm start. Okay, this is a script for starting our application. But where? Yeah, when we wrote this npm start, well, if we come here to the package.json, we will see here that we have the start, yeah, and this will run the TypeScript watch, so this line, and this will generate a JavaScript file from all our TypeScript, and then it will run the light server. So if we don't have any mistake at this point, yeah, it's generating everything that we said, and here we are. Yeah, cannot get, that's fine, because we don't have any index yet. This is the next session, the next part of the video tutorials. Okay, but we can see, yes, that's what I was expecting. So we can see that we have a TypeScript file. This is our source code. Then we have the final generated JavaScript file. We have it here. So this is a JavaScript. This is a real JavaScript. And the most interesting part is this. So here we are saying the source map. This means, okay, the source code for this generated file, it's the app.component, blah, blah, blah. So it's here. And this is the code that we have here. So this is a way that our browser will know that, okay, it will run this, but it's pointing to our TypeScript file. We can see also that the Bootstrap, this generates also a boot.js. It's here. This is the final JavaScript, and also we have a mapping between them. Yes. So this is the way it's transpiled, and if we make any changes, so let's see. Let's put here, yeah, constructor, and let's do get value, yeah, just for fun. So okay, if we save this change, the watch, yeah, will compile or transpile again the JavaScript file, so immediately we will have all the information here available for us. So this is super important. Every time that we change a file, the TypeScript watcher will check, oh, there is a change, and then it will generate a change in the final JavaScript file. Okay, so this is what we should know from the bootstrapping. This is a file for telling Angular, look, you need to initialize the application with this, and it's going to run in the browser. In the future, we can expect from here that maybe it says render or it says mobile and so on. But for this class, it's going to be always a browser. Okay, so see you in the next video.